Hello, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. And what we have here is a John Wick 4 Pit Viper, which is fully licensed by EMG. Ito po ay order ni Sir J. Flores. Okay, so i-review natin and i-test natin also with the chronograph test. Okay, so this is the box. Okay, shoutout pala kay Sir J. Flores. Sir, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. This is your unit. This is the EMG Pit Viper, or the John Wick 4 featured in John Wick 4 movie. Okay, so this is the box. EMG, Tehran Tactical Innovations. Okay, the green box. Okay, made in Taiwan. Okay, this is a full block version. So, meron kasing rose gold version nito, rose gold barrel version. So, wala lang tayong stock nun. And meron tayo is the full block version. The standard, okay, standard version. Okay, ayan. EMG TTI 2011 Pit Viper. Standard gas full black. Okay. So, ayan. This is the box. And before we unbox, so ito po yung mga kasama sa package. It comes with the 0.23 grams, 4,000 shots. So, free na po ito. And it also comes with the free number 12 standard power green gas, which is Pop Dino brand. Okay? And then, nag-order din si Sir ng extra, another tank. Okay, number 12 also. And extra magazine. So, this EMG is also compatible with the 5.1 Wii magazine. Okay, so we will also test this one later on. Okay, so now this is, ito na po yung ating EMG. This is fully licensed by EMG. So, babuksan na natin. So, it comes with the card. Tehran Tactical Innovations card. So, ayan. So, this one, again, is fully licensed by EMG. Okay? So, you have to scan, you need to scan the instruction, the QR code for instructions on registration. Ayan. Okay, sa EMG kasi, ganito na yung kanyang manual. So, wala na siya yung maraming papel. Okay? Only the card. Okay? And then, the Allen range for the magazine lock. So, magagamit mo siya dito sa magazine. And this is the magazine. This is 31 rounder capacity mag. And with the markings of the bottom of the magazine. And the Combat Master Tehran Tactical Innovations. Okay, this is the magazine, and of course the unit. Ayan. So, naka-flared magwell na siya with the markings. TTI. And it also has the aggressive DVC stippling. And the beaver tail, extended beaver tail safety. It also has a ambidextrous metal manual safety, skeletonized hammer, and also for the skeletonized hammer, and also for the trigger. And this one is the sticker only. You can remove this. And markings of TTI, and very aggressive serrations, front and rear. And also it has a accessory rail mount. Okay, the rail for flashlights, and fiber optic sight, green, color green. And the other side, the markings of Pit Viper, and this one, the markings of 9mm. Okay, so take note, sa mga mapanood po, this is just an airsoft. This is just an airsoft, not a real or a real steel. Okay, ayan. So, ang ganda ng design. Ganda ng kanyang design. Very aggressive yan. Dumidikit nga sa gloves ko yung stiffling niya. Okay, very aggressive yung stiffling, kaya pag hinawakan mo siya, hindi siya madulas. And then extended mag release. And so this one is compatible with W magazine and also with the AW magazines. So naka CNC slide na siya, and also CNC outer barrel. So this one is the all black version. Okay. Metal yung kanyang lower frame, but the grip is polymer only. Okay. So polymer material lang yung grip. The slide is metal. The lower frame is metal. Ito lang yung polymer niyan, yung grip. Okay. So ayun yung engraved TTI markings. Okay. So again, this is fully licensed by EMG. So talagang ginaya talaga niya yung totoong Pit Viper. Okay. So ang gagawin natin ngayon, we have to chronograph test this badass fully licensed EMG Pit Viper, the Gen Week 4. Okay, so lalagyan lang natin ng mga bala, BBs, tsaka gas yung magazines natin. So, take note sir, this is your extra magazine. So, wala tayong available na EMG na mag, but this WE mag is also compatible with the unit. So, ito-test din natin, papakita ko sa inyo sa video na compatible siya at gumagana siya. Okay, so ang kaibahan lang naman niya is may markings and iba yung mag base nung sa mismong stock. Okay, so now we will chronograph test this unit kung ilang EPS. Okay, so lalagyan ko lang siya ng gas and BBs. Okay, and now nilagyan ko na siya ng BBs. Okay, de-demo ko lang yung paglagay ng gas. Okay, so check natin yung gas if nagkakarga. Okay, this is gas of So, babawasan ko lang sir ng konti kasi i-check ko kung talagang nagkakarga siya. Okay? So, this is the magazine and this is your gas. So, hold it. So, ito, ganitong paghawak. Hawakan mo siya dito sa may dulo, sa may bungad. Yan, malapit sa loading nozzle. And then, the magazine, hold it like this. Okay? Ayan, pag ganito po. And then, make sure na nasa ilalim yung part na to. Okay? So, inverted position. And then, ito, yung kanyang loading nozzle. Pasok mo siya. Kapakapain nyo yung valve hanggat sa, pakiramdam nyo hanggat sa mag-center na yung loading nozzle sa valve. Then, once na na-center na siya, ayan. So, this is, the position of this is inverted. And then, once na-center na siya, just press. Okay? Press nyo lang. Okay? Ayan. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 segundo lang. And that's enough. Okay, so may gas na siya. And also, ito din, ganun din. Okay. Center mo lang, then press. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, nagkakarga siya. Okay naman yung gas mo, sir. Nawasan ko lang ng konti. Okay, so, Sir J. Flores, chronograph testing tayo ng Gen Week 4 or the Pit Viper that is fully licensed by EMG. Okay, now let's do the chronograph testing. Okay, tingnan natin kung ilang EPS this Pit Viper Gen Week 4. Okay. So, focus lang natin. Ayan. Okay. So, first shot. Firing. Okay, 345. Ayan, 345. Another shot. Firing. 308. 338.4. Okay, 338.4. Okay. Third shot. 330.6. Another shot. Okay, 333.5. Okay. So, nag-range siya ng 330 to 350 EPS. Okay. So, let's do some rapid testing. Okay. Firing. Okay. So, ayun, nag-open chamber na siya. So, ibig sabihin yan, wala na siyang bala. Okay, wala na siyang bala. Just release the magazine. Then, ito-test natin yung WE. Okay, ito yung WE mag, which is ordered ni Sir J. Extra magazine. So, check natin kung gumagana siya. Okay, I'm sure naman gumagana siya kasi compatible siya sa Wii and EW magazines. Also, Tokyo Mario magazines, compatible din siya. Okay? So, tap lang natin. Then, pull back the slide. Then, release. Okay? And ready to fire. Okay. Ayusin ko lang yung ating target para may target tayo. Okay, hinayos ko lang yung ating target. This is the Wii Mags. The Wii Magazine. Yung Wii Magazine, wala siyang markings, no? Yan, hindi katulad nung stock na may markings. So, this is the WE na mag na order ni extra ni Sir J. Flores. Okay? So, ayan. So, tetesting natin na gumagana siya. Okay? Okay? Firing. Oops, nakasave pala. Okay? Firing. Sorry. Firing. Ayan. So, this is the WE mug. Okay, Sir J. Okay, so gumagana naman siya. Okay, so gumagana siya sa Wii, EW, Tokyo Mario mug. So, pwede siyang gamitin. Okay? So, nag-open slide siya ulit. Wala na siyang bala ulit. Okay, release the magazine. And then, hatak nyo lang to para bumaba yung slide. Yung slide stop, slide release, lock. Then, ayan, napapansin nyo, bumababa siya. So, once na nag-lock siyang ganyan, diba, nagla-lock siya. So, pag hinatak nyo tong slide, bababa itong slide stop, slide release. Ayan. And then, release the slide. Okay, hammer down. Okay, Sir J. Flores. Sir, okay na po ang inyong unit. This is the EMG Pit Biver John Wick 4. Okay, so okay na po ang inyong unit, sir. So, if you have more question regarding the unit, message lang sa aming page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Okay, thank you, sir, and have a nice day.